Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, pretty much what this is a heating pad that you can use to like relieve any kind of like pain that you guys have on your back, your shoulders, or any part of your body. Pretty much using that like heat technology to kind of like relieve all this pain for you guys. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you what the product looks like first. Here's what the product looks like. If you can see right here, they provide you a little user guide and manual on how to set up the product and how to use it. So let's take it out first. So when we take out the product, they do provide you this little strap. They can actually strap it around your waist if you guys want to use that option. But here is what the heating pad looks like, if you can see. So it comes with a cable and a little controller right here, but this is basically the heating pad. So let's say you guys want to wrap it around your waist like this. You guys want to use the strap that they provide you right here to kind of strap it around your waist. But this is basically what it looks like, if you guys can see. Looks really, really nice. And then when you guys strap it on, it won't hurt you anything because you guys are the one in control of how tight you guys want to put it on. But it definitely feels really nice. Even right now when I don't have it strapped on, it feels really comfortable. So if you guys look at the remote control, it's really easy and really simple to use. All you have to do is kind of push this button up to turn it on. There's a heat option right here. So there's level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you guys are wondering how hot each level is, you guys can actually look at the user manual that they provide you. And all you have to do to kind of change it is by clicking this button right here. And you guys want to change the timer, you guys can just click the timer button right here. So 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120. So basically what it means is that once it's finished 30 minutes, if you guys set at 30 minutes, then it actually turns off after 30 minutes. So that's basically everything on the product itself. Now let's actually go test it out and show you guys how it works and when it actually works or not. And then come back and talk about the product. Basically how you guys power it on is by pressing the plug itself into a little wall outlet or whatever. And then you guys have this option on the remote controller here. So when we turn on the device, you guys can see it's on 3. So number 3 basically means that it's at the default setting, which is 119 Fahrenheit. And you guys can see how long it actually stays on for the product right here for the timer. So you guys can actually change this if you guys want to. So when we turn it on the highest setting, I definitely feel the heat on the actual heating pad already, which is pretty awesome. So right now it's been almost like 3 minutes or so. So right now it's already been like around 3 minutes. I can definitely feel it getting really hot. And then for these like heating pad, obviously you guys want to know whether or not it has the protection built in, like the overheat protection, and it actually does. It's not hot to the point where it burns you, but it feels super warm to the point where it actually will keep you warm, relieve any kind of pain on your body and whatnot. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that actually does work. Or you guys can't really see that it works, but you can see that it turns on, and I know that it works because I can feel the heat. But judging by that test, I can tell you guys that it is a pretty fast heating option for this product. I can totally see myself using this every day to kind of relieve any kind of back pain if I like slouch too much like doing work or something every day. And it's actually really, really useful because I can use it in the office to help my back posture and everything, because when you strap it around your back like that, it will actually remind you to kind of keep your back straight, which is pretty nice as well. If you guys want to, you guys can actually wash this if you guys really want to, but I highly suggest that you guys don't wash it too often, because if you guys do, the material on this fabric will actually wear off and actually will damage the product that's inside the fabric itself for the heating pad. If you guys really need to wash it or wipe it, I suggest using some kind of damp towel or something, or a cloth to kind of wipe off any kind of stain. So now that we did a little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is actually really worth it. If you guys want one and need one, if you guys can use it a lot, then it's really worth it. Especially like how I mentioned, if you guys want to help relieve any kind of back pain, or if you guys want to fix your back posture, you guys can actually use that at home or in the office. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have